Hi everybody, I'm trying something a little new today. I hope you'll like this very fast plan with me. I'm using a kit from my shop called Camping is More Fun. Some of my 1407 friends from Planner Jam will recognize it as the swag that I gave them 2 weekends ago now. Anyways, just a really sweet kit with lots of cute camping things, and I love it. It's really been a fun one to work with. I actually drew the little fire scene using my tablet, which was totally new for me because I generally just buy clip art that I like and put it together in kits. So that was a new thing. I also drew the enamel plate that's in this kit, so proud me moment. For all you other wonderful artists out there, you're probably thinking, oh my goodness, she's crazy. But anyway, I was proud of it. So I hope you like this little quickie plan with me. And I hope you're having a fabulous week. I'll catch you guys next week. Take care.